Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to edit aesthetic vlog videos in CapCut, whether it's for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. These steps will give your vlog that cinematic and cozy vibe. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and tap a new project. And here select the vlog clips that you want to include and arrange them in order to match your story flow. And here can cut unnecessary parts and to keep your video engaging. You can trim and sync using background music and cuts to the beats for smooth flow. You can also apply aesthetic filters and color grading. Just go to filters and search for warm, retro, or cinematic filters. Here you can adjust the contrast, brightness, saturation, and shadows manually if you want a unique look. And you can also add subtitles and text. You can use text and click Add Text for titles or timestamps. And choose minimalist fonts and soft pastel colors for an aesthetic vibe. You can also add captions for dialogues. You can also add a smooth transitions like cross dissolve or camera pan for natural vlog feel. And import a chill, lo-fi, and indie background music. Add ambient sounds like birds chirping, waves, or city noise for a vlog atmosphere. And once you're happy with the result, you can tap export and select the best resolution and save and share your vlog to YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. And that's it. That's how you edit aesthetic vlog videos in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.